everyone, welcome back to Never Hearts Vlog. So today we are here in Summersands to, just explore how it is. And yeah, the weather is also not so good. As in, it was raining before and it's still drizzling now. But still then, today is Sunday and Sundays are the only time we get to have free time. So we are here. So ta-da, let's go and explore together. So it's raining, so the water level is rising. Menu for okay. Sisnipe. Atona dira pani I was there. Lui jaw there tiga. Don't go too far. So Mohan already get Summersands na se. Moreover, akiri pani beer khai se. Do arne waves can sari like emon tight emon high se. Please show them. And actually, guys, look at this. Wow, waves are so strong today. And it's a beach too, like it's a connection from Sumeshwar. I'm going to vlog site again. Sumeshwar beach TV so it's a connection. Like the difference is that it's a resort camp. It's one more chill out. Like this how finance. Yeah. Guys, I'll show you the views. Wow, look at this. Oh, close up. It's like this. Oh, we gotta run. Yeah. Hey, just don't go too near, okay? I mean, the waves are like literally roaring today. Oh my goodness. Say hi. Hello. Tuan sepi enjoy korewe mo chalote kilote. Yeah. Chaka phalti lui chawle muna se odi time bi na paina. Yeah, we are busy most of the time. Like how are you enjoying? Is it nice? Oh, iti lalo se opay na kina se kumba mano conference kami ay na se to takamba takahandi ka se mo ko na enjoy. Yeah. Pani do bishi strong ase. Yeah. Maybe. Enjoy. Aro yitewi mano achi do kumba like muchi ke kite through like she obviously. So to like last time mula not in her vlog but like mula vlog de like kumba idila mano kan thali she ole kumba like comments kan ti she like idila like kiko muchi yeah like manu hallo bira se especially like place manu hallo de bira se na kan kiki bishi kuishina but like it's not like that, okay? Like you have to understand like mahala mindset like, change or like it's not like one hallo just doesn't mean that one pia kam it's not like that. I mean because like you know what like mohan south te puase to like friends pi south la manu khani pawo do na to like ki ko mandor chaka khami na jani to like friends ka kumba thai shi bole to like chaka khami ta hamba dikhai dia se to like itu nishna like friends is 90 million to like kumba to like bhabi se like ki ya kam kore se like mala khapya to like alag khapi na so but I think it's not like that tahan do like kishi advances se like Mohan nishna ina ki bhabi se na itu nishna na to like Mohan be like sob chani do no hoy at least like tahan la like all of learn kore se Mohamina we're learning from them so many things. Yeah. So itu do enjoyment. It's not about enjoyment. Actually, people and all from here do like, over here like educated so Mohan nishna no do like Mohan stop be like chani ule try grow like itula like biya bhabina itula mindset to let's all try to change from that. Yeah, I think please and better request correct. Yeah. Like negative comments on the like it's all a part of this like ikuno like if we are doing something wrong,
Yeah,
it's
it's
okay.
fine.
Yes, like you can give us like
Yeah.
correction. So from there, like we can also improve.
Yeah.
It's fine. But like kiki khan koi na like in your pera say kiki khan ko to like we don't
Doesn't sound good at all.
Doesn't sound good, and mukhan do really be like manu khan bhabi na like kiki bahar de koi na ina khan kure se ina khan bhabi na, but it's not like that. So we'll all try to change together
Yeah,
from this
together.
mindset. Together. Oh.
Mal la friend kan already mahangi rukya se to chole lagi wa moreover Disney pe wa nai na se only tai da ji to vlog na ko ase, and yeah, it will be like commercial business na se only a lot to ala ka se to ene enjoy ni views kan, I mean like see it. Aro resort la bitor de ki ase like swimming pool khamit kishe mohal do mo dekhai de all beach de ene sai de
Yeah, मुझे ना लोग भूख लगी है तो चाहिए खाओ.
oi chai na khao pai nai
People are also waiting for us. I think some of our friends they don't want to come to camera, so they're camera shy.
sarang ye sai ta ni okay, so it we jaga khane man sundur ase actually to just see it and have fun. Wow, it's so windy. It's so nice. I think it's about to rain anytime soon again. Sorry. People are singing birthday songs, celebrating their birthday. Kiss pata na ulit.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the